Lecture number 7 of Parts of Speech. In this lecture, we will cover adjective and its types. We know that adjective is something that adds meaning to the noun. Its formal definition is an adjective is a word that describes a noun phrase, or pronoun and provides more information. In simple word, adjective always enhance the meaning of a noun. For example, he gave me 5 mangoes. In this sentence, 5 is an adjective because it tells us about the quantity of mangoes. How many mangoes? 5 mangoes. So 5 is an adjective because it gives us more information about the noun about the mangoes. In the second example, Karachi is a large city. So we can also say that like Karachi is a city of Pakistan, but when we say Karachi is a large city, then it will increase the meaning of the city and we will understand the meaning more clearly. So, large is an adjective because it gives us additional information about the city, which is the large city. So, there are 8 types of adjectives in English grammar, and we name them as descriptive adjective, numeral, quantitative, demonstrative, interrogative, possessive, proper, and exclamatory adjectives. Now we discuss them one by one along with their examples. The first one is descriptive adjective. As the name suggests, descriptive adjective describe the noun, describe its quality. The definition is a descriptive adjective is an adjective that modifies a noun or pronoun by describing it or expressing its quality. There are so many examples of descriptive adjective. Some of them are angry, blue, careful, dry, eager, and so on. Now, the second type of adjective is numeral adjective. So, it is clear from their title that numeral adjectives show the number. They are also called the adjective of number. So the adjectives of number are numeral adjectives show how many persons or things are meant. These are related to counting. For example, 8 boys, few months, time in second, and quantity of something. The example is few dogs like hot water. In this sentence, few is numeral adjective. They are further divided into 2 points definite numeral adjectives and indefinite numeral adjectives. Definite numeral adjectives are those that are countable. For example, 8, 9, first, second, while indefinite are uncountable. For example, some, few, many. For example, we can say that I have many clothes. So many is indefinite because we does not know how many. So they are the indefinite numeral adjectives. Now the third type is quantitative adjective. Now, quantitative adjectives meant that how much quantity. So, the adjectives of quantity, how much quantity of a thing is meant. For example, he ate some rice. In this example, some tells us about the quantity of rice, that how much rice. So, some shows the quantitative adjective in that particular sentence. The other examples are some, little, whole, and one fourth, etc. Now, the fourth type is demonstrative adjective. So, the demonstrative adjective describes the noun. Demonstrative adjectives point out which person or thing is meant. For example, this, that, those, such, etc. are the demonstrative adjectives. These are also sometimes demonstrative pronouns, which were described in previous lecture. For the better understanding, you should have to watch the lecture number 3 of my series for the demonstrative pronoun. The example is this girl is taller than Rosie. So this is Demonstrative adjective because it enhances the meaning of a girl. That which girl? So this girl represents the particular girl which is sitting nearby. So this is demonstrative adjective. Now the fifth type is interrogative adjective. So interrogative adjectives are those which are used with the nouns and ask questions. What, which, and whose are interrogative adjectives when they are used with the noun to ask questions. These are very simple. For example, whose book is this? Whose in this sentence is interrogative adjective. Now the sixth one is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjective shows the possession or the ownership of a noun. We use possessive adjectives to express who owns or possesses something. This is used in front of a noun. For example, he is his own master. So, own in this sentence shows the possession. Now, the seventh type is proper adjectives. So proper means particular, specially. So the proper adjective also describe people, places and things, but they are described on but they are based on nouns and therefore need to be capitalized. Whenever they were used in the sentence, they are always capitalized. For example, British and Chinese, etc. For example, British and Chinese, whenever used in the sentence, they are always capitalized. For example, a British professor is teaching in the class, so British is an proper adjective. Similarly, there are common adjectives which are described in the descriptive adjectives. Now, the last one is exclamatory adjectives. Now, what are exclamatory adjectives? The word what, particularly what, is sometimes used as an exclamatory adjective. For example, these are show astonishments. For example, what a genius! What a blessing! These are the exclamations, and so what in these sentences is called an exclamatory adjective. So, this is all about the adjective and its types. Hope you have understand all of them. So, if you like my video, please subscribe. And if you have any query, please ask in the comment section. And for the previous topic, please watch my previous videos. And for the remaining parts of speech, watch my next lectures. And for your proper preparation, please make the notes. So in the next lecture, we will cover the adverb and all of its types with examples in the detail. So in order to learn the adverb, watch the next video. This is enough for today's lecture. Thanks for watching.